friends. Let's get ready for today's story. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Put them in your lap. Our story today is about a very tired bear who snores. It's called Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. There's the bear. He's in a cave. It's also called a lair. That's where he likes to sleep all winter. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day. He sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. He builds a little fire to warm up. The coals pip-pop, and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. Look at him. He's so tired. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. A hare is a kind of rabbit. That's Hare. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips, wee slurps, Hare burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. He has no idea they're even in his lair. A badger scuttles by, sniffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. Gopher and Mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. There's Wren and there's Raven. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters Wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Look at that, they're jumping and they're dancing, and he's still sleeping. He can sleep through a party. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear chew. He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. Look at how startled they are. They went, and the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. What is that bear gonna do? You've snuck in my lair. You've had all the fun. But me, I was sleeping. And I had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Blubbers mean that he's crying. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." He's starting to smile. Bear gulps, Bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. He's telling them stories. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Look at that. He's wide awake now. And all of his friends are laying on him sleeping. He's like a big, fluffy bed. Bye, friends.